Hello and welcome back to Trains Up North. Today we're going to be looking at lighting. Now this is the existing lighting that I've got on my layout, and this is the upgraded lighting. So what have I gone for? So I've got myself some of these. They're 2 foot 18 watt batten lights. They're LED, and the LED colour from the lights is daylight. They're about 18 quid a piece from Screwfix. Let's open it up. So I believe Lap is the Screwfix own brand. So what do we get in the box? We get our instructions. We get our batten light, the protective cover that should be on the light. Don't need that. You also get that with the fixings. Just open these fixings up. So in the bag of fixings you get some roll plugs and a couple of clips and 4 screws. Those plugs, the roll plugs that come with it, are designed for masonry, so you can use these lights outdoor as well, and they connect with a simple true wire, so there's no earth, because all this is plastic, it's LED, it's cheap to run, and it's really bright. So the ceiling in my cellar, where the layout is, has all been plasterboarded. So if you're going to put it in plasterboard, I'd suggest getting something like that. The clips on the back couldn't be easier. Push it on. And at the other end, clip it on. And it's a bit difficult for me to do this and hold the camera, so I'm going to show how you mount it using the baseboard. But basically, if you put the clips on, decide where you want it. So imagine that's the ceiling, and mark it like that where the clip is. So you do that for both clips. Then get your clip, put your clip on the hole, get your pencil or pen, mark where the hole is on your clip, so the 2 holes. Then just get a drill bit, drill through, put your roll plug in, put that back on, screw it up, and then once that's all screwed up, get your batten light and literally push it and it clips on. So that's what the lights look like when they're installed and wired in. So I think they look pretty smart. You don't have to mount them on a ceiling. You could wall mount them, have them that way if you wanted. To connect the electrics, I've got these. I believe off an electrician friend it's called, or pronounced, Vago. If I have got that wrong, I apologise. These are the 3-way ones. I've been using 3-way because I've been connecting like my wire in, a wire out, and then one to each one of these lights. So this, when it's installed, will be light number 9. These clips are fantastic. You open them up like that just by lifting it. You get the wire, push the wire in. The clear plastic, so you can see the wire has gone all the way in. If I zoom in, let it focus, you can see the wire at the end, and then that'll be my screwdriver. Just push it down and that's securely held in now. So our electricity supply go into another one, so the middle one for example, you just that'd be another tool, clip it down, and then that'd go to our next light in the series, and then clamp it down. If we need to change anything, so let's say one of these lights needs replacing, lift the clip up, pull the thing out. Simple. Should have one of them on that brown wire, another one on that blue wire. So I'm using 2 for each light. So there we go. That's our 2 for each light. The plastic, so you're not going to electrocute yourself if you touch them. If you start putting screwdrivers and things and messing about with them, then yeah, I won't do that. If you want to test them, then you can put your testing things, probes, down there. So again, that's how you test them. They're just amazing little piece of kit. Like I said, this is this is light number 9 on the layout. I've got mine wired to a plug. It just makes it a bit easier for turning them on and off. Don't have to worry about the electrics for the lighting. The lighting can stay the same. So that's the holes marked, drilled, roll plugs installed, brackets screwed up, light fitting attached, and now the electric's connected and it working. So yeah, that's the lights installed. When you're doing a job like this and you're going to be drilling holes in walls and ceilings, just make sure that you know what's behind it. You don't want to be drilling through a water pipe, gas pipe or electrical wiring. When it comes to connecting your lights, if you're in any doubt of how to do it, then seek the help of a professional. Don't take risks. These lights, they operate off mains voltage, so we're not talking about our low voltage things like the track. The mains voltage, if you get it wrong, it can seriously hurt or worse. Okay, that's I think pretty much everything for today. So I'd like to thank those that have already subscribed. Please, if you haven't done, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like and post a comment on your thoughts. And until next time, goodbye.